Back to part 3, our final video of the rental-friendly kitchen makeover series. As you see, I've already done the floors, I've done the backsplash, and the marble countertops, and today we are going to be moving on to the cabinets. I've already took off one section of the cabinet doors just because I'm going to be working section by section, but as you see, we have a lot of cabinets to work with. The paper that I purchased, the contact paper that I purchased, is from Amazon.com. It is from a brand, Home Doctor. This roll was 19 by 400 feet long, and it is $20 each. I ended up using a total of 3 rolls for all of these cabinets, and I still have extra left. So as you see, it's black and it has this wood grain. So it looks, kind of good. So my cabinets are a little special. They have a few extra ridges and whatnot. So I'm going to show you guys how to, get into those cracks and crevices if you have cabinets like that. First things first, I'm going to cut out a sheet of contact paper, as long as the cabinet, of course, and peel off the backing. Now, on some sheets, I did have to peel from the middle and work my way out, but it was just simply because I couldn't get a good corner to peel off. But nonetheless, we got the paper off. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cover the cabinet evenly. And you don't want to just start sticking the paper down because, again, we have ridges. The face of this cabinet is deeper than the edges of the cabinet, and the paper just will start crinkling up around the edges and all that extra stuff because of that. So we want to make sure that you press down the face of the cabinet first if you have a cabinet, like mine. If you don't, if you just have a flat cabinet, then you'll have the easiest time ever. But yeah, I have to go the extra mile because my cabinets are a little extra. So once I get the face of the cabinet smoothed out, I'm going to go around to each corner and cut diagonally towards the face of the cabinet. And this is just because you will not be able to smoothly lay out the edges of the cabinet because of how deep the face is. It's pretty much, I don't know how to explain it, but it just won't come out right, okay? So I'm going to go into the crevices with my fingers just to smooth those out, and then I'll go in with the squeegee again and kind of just smooth out the edges of the cabinet. Once I've done that, I'll flip it over and begin to stick the edges of the contact paper down. Then I will go in with a heat gun, which you guys will be seeing soon, and I will actually use the heat to stretch the paper out to really fit and compact into all of the crevices. If you don't have a heat gun, you can definitely use a blow dryer, but the heat just makes it, stretch, and then it makes it shrivel up into whatever position you put it in.
Like Zach, we been selling in the projects like it's the new Jack City. All my bitches got ass and titties. Gotta hop on top the bag and get it. She call me cause her main nigga don't beat it up. Be something like a pacifist. All a nigga do is slip for the check. Open them out, put the dick in the neck. Blue rags, bitch, just gripping the set. I been trapping, gotta get it with that. Bitch, I'm rich, I can't be living in debt. She won't be my bitch, I can't fuck with the pet. My best friend end up giving me set in the Tahoe when I jumped off the jet. I just been balling out every season. Know some niggas I left in the police. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a 4 inside another liter. Time to pass and then run it up. I gotta put the new bills inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds, sending out the meagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I can feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga, gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas.
This part is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the time lapse. All he's doing is applying the contact paper to the face of the cabinets, just because you'll still be able to see these sections when the doors are closed. We didn't really care about how everything looked when the doors were open because nobody's going in our cabinets but us, so that's why we didn't do the back of the cabinets. But if you want to go the extra mile, you can. The only hard part about this was the top because it had all of those extra ridges, so he had to keep the handgun on him. I'm sorry, the heat gun on him while doing it. But literally, you guys, this was very, very, very easy. If you know how to peel off a sticker and put a sticker on something, then you know how to do this. Like, literally. The only extra thing that you want to do is keep the wood grain going in the same direction, which can be tedious, but it's already an all-day project. Make the most of it. All right, you guys. So as I show you these before and afters, which I must say myself looks so good, I just want to share a quick message with y'all. So when God gives you a vision, just know that God gave you that vision. God didn't give it to Sally, Mae, Joe, Buck, or Ruck, okay? God gave it to you. When you share what you plan on doing with people, sometimes they may not see the beauty in it. They may not see how it's going to be done, but it's because God didn't give that vision to them. God gave it to you. Always do what you want to do, what you feel is right for you to do. I was told by so many people to just leave the kitchen how it was. Do you know I would have missed out on all of this? This looks so good. This looks so good. Don't listen to anybody. Follow your dreams. Remember, God gave it to you, not Sally Mae, Roe, Juck, or Chuck, okay? All right, bye-bye.